All right, let's see if I can do this off my phone. Gonna cut a quick vid update on the GT500. Missing parts. I'm gonna release the video footage that I have up to this point. It's uploading right now, so I'll set it for tomorrow, but it's on the very last pack. This was a book 18, very last pack. We were getting close to the finish line. Building the steering column here, and actually missing a, what are they calling it? This shaft right here. So it's at this step right here. And I reviewed the footage to make sure I didn't like lose it, because I looked around for it a lot, because I had a couple of little parts kind of slide up under there, but I reviewed the footage. It was not in the pack. I have requested a new pack from FanHome. I messaged them. We'll see. Hopefully they send it out. They've been pretty good sending replacement packs with the Enterprise stuff, but the fact that you even have missing parts at all is annoying, or wrong packs or whatever. I think this is the first time it's happened with the GT500 build. But by the time I get that replacement pack, I mean, 2-3 weeks probably. But in the end, I've got 2 more boxes on the shelf. My area's still a mess because I just moved, but that's what I got left on the Enterprise. And I think I'm due like 1 or 2 more boxes, and then, oh, and the one that, and I'm also missing, that's Enterprise stuff. I'm missing like 3 boxes. But here's what I got left on in my back stock here. I got 19 and 20, so I'm still, what, like 12 boxes down from finishing this. So yeah, that's for another year. Thanks for watching me try to crank these out and get caught up. Boom.